From the start, we've always asked the question of how can we use robots as a mechanism to uplift, where the point of robots isn't to replace the human touch, it's really to extend human reach. Robots are the future of these traditionally dull, dirty, dangerous jobs. The kind of jobs that are harder and harder to find people to work, yet the work still needs to be done. Every single thing that moves will be automated, whether it's your car, a robot, or anything in between. And within the broad ecosystem of technology, we believe this combination of automation and robots is what unlocks a world of human abundance like really nothing else can. With AI, if you look at the innovation cycle, it's going faster and faster and faster. And part of what I worry about is like, what is our country's infrastructure to adapt to that change? Because if you study science, what you'll learn is in order for the organism to survive, its rate of learning has to be faster than the rate of change in the world around it. And if you look at technology, it's changing really, really fast. And with robots, the number of humans in the loop to produce the same output will go down. There's certainly a lot of investment going into these industrial warehouse-based robots, and that's badly needed. As we look at manufacturing in the United States, you ask, well, how did we end up in this position where so much of our manufacturing got outsourced? It was a labor arbitrage. But when you think about the end state of manufacturing, it's automated. So all of a sudden, the efficiency gains and equation starts to change, and all of a sudden it's like, well, who's got the cheaper energy source? So let's imagine for a second that you're running your own exterior cleaning company and you got hired to clean a 10-story building in town. Usually that would take a crew of workers days to weeks to get the job done, and our robots can do it in a matter of hours. You'd have to rent, give or take, a 120-foot lift, which could cost over $10,000 a month to rent. The point of the robot is to extend reach versus replace touch, but that's not the case with all the robots that are being built today. Some will work, but it takes a tremendous amount of training to the point you've got to bring in a different type of worker versus taking a person that's already working that job and allowing them to 2x or 3x their output. So even the person doing the work, he was wishing that his kids would have something even more fulfilling. And I think as you abstract what it means to be human, it's not the ability to do a physically repetitive task. It's this ability to be creative, to problem solve, to build community.